learn how to make a simple and easy PowerPoint title slide design in PowerPoint. So let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Shape, select rounded rectangle, drag it like this. Take the yellow dot to the right. Rotate it like this. Duplicate and adjust in this way. Select all and go to Merge Shape and select Union. Go to Insert, click on Shape, select Rectangle Shape, drag it like this. Zoom out the slide, duplicate and adjust in this way. Select this group and next select this and select Subtract from Merge Shape. Select this and duplicate, rotate it like this. Increase the size. Select this, duplicate and adjust in this way. Select this and next select all and select Subtract from Merge Shape. Click on right button and send to back. Zoom in the slide. Go to Insert. Click on Picture. I have downloaded a picture from Google. Select it and insert it. Click on the right button and cut the picture. Again click on right button. Go to Format Background. Select this shape. Click on Picture or Texture field and insert picture from clipboard. And click on Rotate with Shape. After this, go to Shadow. Select Inner Shadow from Presents. And select Background Color. Select this shape. Change the color. And click on No Line. Again go to Insert and select the text box. Write Island here. Select and change the font. Make it bold. Increase the font size. Change the color of your text using eyedropper. Press Ctrl Shift and drag to the downside. Reduce the size. Add information here. Change the color using eyedropper. Increase font size. Center your content. Now click on Slideshow. So, see friends, our title slide looks very creative. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.